Hello everyone, Luis here. I'm back, and this time is to bring you something interesting. Is a new printer. Long time I do not buy a new printer, or do not have any printer to review. This time it's the unboxing of the Saturn 3 Ultra. It's I never had an Elegoo printer before. Had any cubic other printers, but Elegoo never, and it's a very established brand. I like the brand. I had other things from Elegoo, but not printers. And since I was needing an upgrade, because the ones I currently have are Sonic Mini 8K, which is a small screen printer, and the Creality Hello Sky, which is my biggest one. In this case, it's a 10-inch screen with 12K resolution. So let's see. I've saw a lot of good things about this printer, so I decided to give it a shot. Okay, so stick with me. Let's open the box with me just to see what's inside, and in the future I will launch a review with my thoughts about the printer. Okay, thank you. See you soon. Okay, let's get started here. Opening the box. We have here the, I believe is the power cord, right? Let's take a quick look. Yes, this is the power cord, standard cable, foam. Okay, we have here the user manual. We'll take a look. Leveling card. And okay, the printer is on the side, so let's just turn that like so. Let's take it from the box, okay? Okay, here is it, the printer. Okay, here's the printer. Okay, let me take the cover. And it's a black cover, different from the red that they normally use. More foam. Toolkit. Gloves. Allen keys. Spatula. Scraper. USB. That's something I was excited about, to have this carbon filter already coming with the printer. We have here a free license for, I think it's for the voxel dance, tango. Plastic scraper, the antenna for the Wi-Fi, the power cord, masks and filters. Now let's take that here. Big knob. One big change from Elegoo's last printers is that they are now using the 4-bolt screw leveling system, which for me is better. People can argue a lot about that, but since they are using that for the premium printers, I believe that's the way to go now. They have like laser engraved. Let's see if I can take the vat. Yeah. These bolts are a little bit bad. Didn't like it, but yeah, they need to cut the costs somewhere, right? This is the vat, and it not came with the ACF. Oh, okay, the ACF is there. It's because when it's covered with this plastic here, you cannot see the ACF thing. It comes with a protector here. And one interesting thing is that the body of the printer is entirely metal. Very sturdy. Not super heavy, but it's a sturdy machine. You can see that. The Z-rod is ball screw, which is something I was really knee about. I think it's a good thing. We have here, okay. I think that's it. Please subscribe if you did not subscribe, so you can receive the notification when I launch the review video for that, okay? Thank you. See you next time. Bye.